Welcome to J&J Auto test video of s2gm346. Today we're checking out a 2002 GMC Sierra 2500 HD Duramax. Sorry there, I had to take a drink. LB7 under the hood. It's got a $193 and some change on her. Was involved in some sort of collision where the guy abandoned this thing on the road. Must have been tipsy. Like I said, the LB7 truck, very clean, from Texas, no blow-by, none. Nice, smooth running truck. Hell, the AC is even working. Oops, I cursed on YouTube. Yeah, obviously though, I'm pretty sure she was flopped on her side. Oh, 193,288 miles. Look at this. This guy, the North Texas Tollway Authority, yeah, he flipped it and left it. That's kind of sad. But hey, we got her now. Kenwood radio, AC, climate control works well. Man, that's nice and cold. Cluster works great. LB7 runs good. I don't know why these gauges aren't working. It's almost like they were flipped. Anyways, let's go ahead and test out the transmission. Where Allison goes right into reverse, right into drive. I'm gonna let this thing run for a minute and do its thing, charge up the batteries, and just make sure everything's good. But I would say this is a stout unit. Looks like it's got a 6-inch lift or so on it. We'll see if the lift kit actually made it. If so, heck, we'll get that thing listed for sale. I see it's rough country. Maybe it explains why it flipped. Other than that, guys, I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for viewing our test video of our 2002 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. You guys know the gig. If you're looking for any parts, head on over to our website. There'll be a link in the description down below. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Keep her on the rubber side down. Otherwise, you end up like this. Thanks for watching.